1978, I decided to come out with a build. It's a Sunday third wave frame, sandblasted. Got it sandblasted first, then powder coated blue with chrome parts. I can get it insides and outs of my bike, and what I suggest getting, I'll go to work the way from the front to the back. Animal presidential bars, 8.5 height, 28.5 width, pretty nice. A fixie grip that I found at a shop, managed to pick up, goes real nice with the bike, like it so far. Sunday freeze stem, top load, polished, Odyssey headset, real nice. S2 director fork, can't go wrong with those. Maxxis Grifter folding tire, 2.1 front. Profile Mini SS laced to hazard light rim. Profile cranks, GDH. Sunday Sabertooth, 25, real nice. Profile bottom bracket. We got the Odyssey convertible, profile C-clamp, real nice. I say the Odyssey Gary Young principal. Bar ends are from Odyssey. The bar ends, pretty nice. Got a nice little blue air cap to go in there with it. KMC half link. Twisted PCs clear to go with the theme of the bike. Profile Mini SS hub laced to the same rim. Maxxis Grifter. Total weight of my bike is 21 pounds. You give guys a hub check real quick. Sound like a pack of bees. Pretty nice bike. I say it's nice and light. I like it so far. This is the Sunday third wave. I guess reborn. Super stoked how it came out. That's the that's the bottom bracket. Pretty nice bike. I like it so far. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I guess of the Sunday third wave reborn. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna do some more riding.